Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Square Payouts to US Bank, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw with Square Payouts to your US Bank, start by logging into your Square account. Navigate to the Payments section of your dashboard. Look for the Balance option on the left-hand side. Click on the Balance option to view your current funds. Next, find the Withdraw button, usually located near your balance details. Click on the Withdraw button to initiate the withdrawal process. You will be presented with options for withdrawal methods. Select Transfer to Bank for direct deposits to your US Bank account. If this is your first withdrawal, you may need to add your bank account information. Enter your bank account number and the routing number accurately. Double-check to ensure all entered information is correct to avoid delays. Once confirmed, choose the amount you wish to withdraw from your Square balance. Review the withdrawal details carefully before proceeding. Click the Submit button to finalize your withdrawal request. You will receive a confirmation message once your withdrawal is processed. Typically, the funds will be transferred to your bank account within 1 to 2 business days. Monitor your bank account to confirm the receipt of funds. If you encounter any issues, revisit the Square Help Center for assistance. That's how to successfully withdraw with Square Payouts to your US Bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.